Welcome to our guide on how to get more organic traffic to your e-commerce store through effective SEO strategies. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for the success of your e-commerce business. The first step in optimizing your e-commerce website for search engines is conducting thorough keyword research. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to identify relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Step 1. Keyword research. Once you have your list of target keywords, optimize your website's meta tags, including titles, descriptions, and headings. Make sure these tags accurately reflect the content of your pages while incorporating your chosen keywords naturally. Step 2. Optimize meta tags. Compelling product descriptions are essential for both users and search engines. Write unique, informative, and keyword-rich descriptions for each product. This not only helps in SEO, but also enhances the user experience, leading to higher conversion rates. Step 3. Write compelling product descriptions. Content is king in the world of SEO. Regularly publish high-quality blog posts, articles, and guides related to your products or industry. This not only establishes your e-commerce store as an authority in your niche, but also attracts organic traffic through long-tail keywords. Step 4. Create high-quality content. Website speed plays a crucial role in SEO and user experience. Optimize your site's loading speed by compressing images, using a reliable hosting provider, and minimizing HTTP requests. A fast-loading website not only ranks higher in search results, but also keeps users engaged. Step 5. Optimize website speed. Building backlinks from reputable websites is a powerful way to boost your e-commerce store's SEO. Reach out to relevant influencers, industry blogs, and websites for guest posting opportunities or collaborations. Remember, quality matters more than quantity when it comes to backlinks. Step 6. Build quality backlinks. With the increasing use of smartphones, optimizing your e-commerce website for mobile is non-negotiable. Ensure your site is mobile-friendly by using responsive design, optimizing images, and simplifying navigation. This enhances user experience and improves your search engine rankings. Step 7. Optimize for mobile. You can drive more organic traffic to your e-commerce store, increase visibility, and ultimately boost sales. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so stay updated with the latest trends and algorithms to maintain your competitive edge.